Imagine a moonlit meadow, soft rabbit paws tapping on the grass, spinning in a magical waltz. Today, I'm going to teach you my own composition called Little Rabbit Waltz. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I love spring. I compose music. I'm a soprano. I sing my own song and I play piano. And today, I'm so excited to share one of my own composition with you, Little Rabbit Waltz. I wrote this song because I imagine little rabbit dancing under the moonlight. Their soft paws tapping gently on the grass. It's playful, it's dreamy, and it's a joy to perform. In this lesson, I will guide you step by step. We will learn the melody, the waltz rhythm, and even how to sing along. By the end, you will be able to perform Little Rabbit Waltz by yourself. So, let's hop right in. First of all, let me read the lyrics to see what this song talk about. Ready? The name of the song is Little Rabbit Waltz. Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, dance in the night. This is the verse 1. Hearts skip along, hopping to song. Stars start to glow, dream softly flow. Verse 2. And then chorus. Chorus we sing twice, okay? Waltz, bunny waltz, spin without faults. Round we will slide, joy side by side. Okay, so this is the lyrics of the song. Let me learn the rhythm to see how the rhythm sounds like. Okay, so let's this is 3/4. Okay. Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, dance in the night. Hearts skip along, hopping so soft, hopping to song. Stars start to glow, dreams softly flow. What's funny? What's in spin without faults? Wrong with wheels, wrong we will slide, wrong we will glide. Joy side by side. What's funny? What's in spin without faults? Wrong we will glide. Joy side by side. Okay, so this is the rhythm. And let's learn the verse. We learn the verse and then we will learn the chorus. Okay. So let's listen to the verse 1 to see how the music sounds like. How the song sounds like. I will play and sing slowly. Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, this is the first part. So let's sing after me. Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, lies in the night. Try to get the rhythm. Soft paw on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, lies in the night. Okay, so you got the rhythm? Let's sing after me again. Soft paw on grass, soft paw on grass, moonlight will fall. Whiskers so bright, eyes in the night. So and then verse 2, the next part. So the rhythm. Escape along, hoping to soar, start to glow, dreams softly flow. So let's sing after me. Let's sing. Okay, you got it? Now let's move to the chorus. Okay, was burning, was a spring without fault, joys and sound. Was burning, was a spring without fault, we will climb, joys and sound. Okay, you got it. Let's sing with the rhythm. To learn the rhythm. Was burning, spin without. Was burning, was a spring without force. Long we will glide, joys and sight. Was burning, was a spring without force. Long we will glide, joy side by side. Okay, so that's the rhythm. Let's sing after me and try to follow me. Was burning, was a spring without force. Joys and sight, joys and light, joys and light. Long we will glide, joy side by side. You got it? So let's sing. Can we sing from beginning to the end? Let's try. Let's try to sing from beginning to the end. I will play and sing slowly. We just straightforward, just start, okay? Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, dance in the night. Asking along, hoping to soar. Stars up to grow, trees up to fall. Oh, Bonnie, oh, Bonnie, what is it without fall? Oh, will you come, joys and my song? So this song, the structure, we sing we have lyrics. We sing the verse 1, verse 2, and the chorus, and we repeat. And then we repeat from beginning. After the second time, we go to the first verse. Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, dance in the night. Okay, so this is the structure of this song. Let's sing it together. I will play and sing slowly and try to follow me. Okay? Ready? Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, dance in the night. Sleep along, hoping to soar. Stars up to grow, trees up to fall. Oh, Bonnie, what's this without falls? Oh, will you sigh, joys in my song? Oh, Bonnie, what's this without falls? Oh, will you come, joys in my song? That's very beautiful. Try to imagine a moonlit meadow, soft rabbit paws tap on the grass, and spinning the magical waltz. So try to imagine that way. Now let's sing together and try to sing with the right rhythm, and also try to sing together with me. Okay. Ready? Soft paws on grass, moonlight will pass. Whiskers so bright, dance in the night. Oh, sleep along, hoping to soar. Stars up to grow, dreams softly fall. Repeat. Soft cross one will play. Whisker song dance in the night. Hearts sing along, hoping to soar. Stars start to grow, dreams softly flow. You got it? So that's today's class. And let me see what else. So after the class, try to practice the lyrics. And also try to get the rhythm. Okay, and to make sure you sing correctly with the right rhythm. So when you sing, try to express your emotion. Is it playful? Is it joyful? Playful, joyful, and sing in a happy mode, like the rabbit dancing under the moon. Once you got the rhythm, got the lyrics, and you can sing together with the music, and congratulations. Now you can sing the Little Rabbit Waltz. And also at the beginning you practice slowly, and gradually you can sing a little faster. Okay, sing a little faster. So don't be shy. Hop into the music. If my message inspires you, comment below, share your thoughts and how you feel. Do you have the pet as like a rabbit? Do you have the pet? Okay, can share your story. And don't forget, subscribe, share, comment, and like. Make sure to turn on the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.